Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we're going to prepare another amazing protein shake. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. So here I have my blender. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go in and add my almond milk. Now, please be sure to shake your almond milk before pouring it out. I did not, I totally forget, but then I decided to close it up and shake it up well. Now, if you don't have almond milk, but you have oats milk or any other milk that you want to use, you can always go ahead and do so. All of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get them at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you, and just utilize whatever you have at home. I will also go in and add my oats, of course. And I also have 2 bananas. I have some papaya. I also have my raisins. And I have my protein powder that I will add to this as well. If you have any other fruits that you want to add, you can always go ahead and do so. Just be creative, as I always say to you guys. Now that I add my papaya, I will go in and add my ripe bananas. And of course, you know, the bananas will give it a little bit more of a sweetness. So that's what I'm going for today. I want it to be a little bit sweet, so I'm going to add 2 bananas. Once I add the bananas, I will go in and add my flax seed, of course. If you guys have pumpkin seeds or any other nuts that you want to add, you can go ahead and add it as well. Then I'm going to go in and add my raisins. And of course, you know, the raisins will also contribute to the sweetness of my protein shake. Once I add all of that goodness, I will go in again and add some more of my almond milk, cover it, and then I'm going to blend it until it is smooth. Once it is blended nicely, I will show you guys what it looks like. So you can always go ahead and have this in the morning before breakfast. You can always have it at night just in case you don't want anything heavy on your stomach. You can always go ahead and prepare this. As I said, all of these items, you can get it at your local supermarket. So now it is all blended nicely, very smooth. We are going to pour it out in some containers and we're going to store it until tomorrow. So basically, I'm going to have it today and tomorrow. And basically, this is it, the finished product. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think about this amazing protein shake. Remember to subscribe to my channel and remember to turn on your post notification bell. See you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. We're on our way to 8K subscribers. Help me get there by subscribing and sharing with your friends and your family members. See you guys tomorrow and thank you again for your support and your love. Bye.